So, okay, here in this slide you can see the link to the Precautionary Matrix that is available in 4 languages. And we kindly ask you after this call if you can provide feedbacks on the matrix, your opinions and comments. There's an online questionnaire available here. Claire will send it to you again, this link after the call, and you can give and provide a quick feedback just a few minutes after this call, and you can even provide a second feedback if you're going to test the system in the next days or weeks. I'm just trying to move to the next slide, but my computer, okay, didn't want to do it. Okay, the form is just 12 questions about your overall opinion, pros and cons of the tool, the level of usability, any roadblock, barrier, input and output, the relevance of a function of the tool for you and why you're using or you think to use it. It's really a short one, and for us it's very, very, very important in order to have good inputs to improve our models and the system of systems. So please do it. And this is the schedule, the planning of our next webinars. And the next one will be on March 22nd. It will be on Source Manager and the NanoScan. Then we'll have Simple Box Pro Nano, and we'll have yet to plan the other last webinars on nanosafer, control banding, and SATs. And I think that's it. And thank you.
Okay.
And this
there
is
you
a
go,
nice
the final
picture
slide.
of all the caLIBRAte.
So that's super. I know a number of people here are registered for webinars and meetings coming up, which is really brilliant. So we've had a really good response to this session, this session of events. So I really hope that they are being useful for you. I am going to follow up by sending you the slides from today, and would invite any kind of feedback on how useful this session was for you and what you would like to see next, because caLIBRAte, the project, it will continue into 2019. So we would very much like to include people as we develop the system of systems and it becomes more user-friendly and more industry-ready. So it just remains for me to say thank you very much indeed for all of the presenters, and thank you very much indeed to all of the delegates. And I've just received, just to let you know, from Lydia, Lydia, you haven't actually put your email address in the message. It would be great if you could just add that now, your full email address, and I can be sure to send you the slides as well if you weren't on the original registration list. And you are also welcome, everybody, to share these slides as far and wide as you want, and come back to us if you would like to see a repeat of this webinar at a later date, because we are always very happy to come back and put on the show again. So I say thank you again, and we have finished ahead of schedule, so we are all very efficient. So we look forward to speaking to you in the future, and I'll follow up with you very shortly after this webinar. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
Thank you.